Hello you guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can naturally curl your hairs at home. So I will be showing you three different type of curls. So first I'll be starting with crimps. Okay, so crimps are so trendy these days and I love them a lot because it volumizes your hairs like anything, and it also looks really pretty. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So I have washed my hairs today, and it's the best time to curl your hairs if you want to curl them naturally because your hairs are still damp. So I'll be starting by taking small sections of my hairs and I'll be braiding them up. So I'll be taking this much section of my hairs. Please do not take a very thick section because after all you are doing a crimp. So I'll be also showing how you can go for beachy curls and soft curls. So crimps are not actually beachy curls. Beachy curls are really different from this one. So I'll be showing you that too. So we are about to reach the tip of our hair. So I'll be securing it with rubber. I am done with the braiding, you guys. I know I look so funny right now. I look like an octopus, but I'm so eager to see how the results will be. So I'll just spray a little bit of water again on the braids. ये damp hair में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से होगा. Please do not forget to make your hairs damp. So it's 11:03 right now. I'll be opening it up in the evening. I'll meet you in the evening. Hey guys, I'm back. So अभी जो है 3:30 हो गया है. So I have almost kept this for like 4 hours, and so now I'll be opening it up, and I'm so excited to see the results. Nice. Can you see that? ये नीचे तक ज़्यादा नहीं गया है क्योंकि मैंने इसको नीचे तक ब्रेड नहीं किया था. Oh my god, I'm in love with these crimps. So this is the final look, you guys. Please comment down below how you find this look to be. I really love those crimps out here. I hope you can see. So let us just move to the second type of curl, which will be the beachy curl. For that, all you need to do is a French braid or a Dutch braid. Both will work for this one. So I will be going with the French braid. So I have divided my hairs into two sections. I will be starting with this side. My braids are done. What I will do is I will damp them using some water. I put the water in a spray bottle. So yes guys, we are done. So I'm gonna see you after some time. Hey you guys, so it's time to check out how the curls have turned out to be. So I am very excited to see the curls. It has turned out to be pretty nice. I like it. I like it. So now we will be moving to the last hair curl of today's video. So it will be a soft curl. So for that you will be needing a stretchable cloth. So I took my stockings here. All you need to do is take the middle part of the cloth and you need to pin it up right here. Okay. So I'll take a small section of hairs from the front. I will again add some more section of hairs to the previous one. So you just have to keep on adding new section of hairs to the previous one and you have to roll it up. So we are done. I'll be spraying some water to damp my hairs. I'll be right back after some time. I'm back after some time and it's 4 hours now. So I'll be opening up my hairs and I'm really excited to see what the results will be. So let's start. I was expecting some more intensity of these curls, but they're not bad. So as you can see, the results are not that bad, but I think it could have been much more better if I would have been able to keep it for a really long time, like for 8 hours or 9 hours, something like that. So not bad guys, it will work and it's effective. Just the thing is that you need to keep it for a longer period of time and you'll be getting your desired curls. So this was the video, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. And also do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.